In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Shopify product link. Whether you're looking to share your latest product with your followers or simply send a link to a potential customer, understanding how to share a product link in Shopify can be a crucial skill for any online store owner. It's quick, straightforward, and incredibly user-friendly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Shopify's website by typing shopify.com in your browser and logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the hub of your store where you manage everything from orders and customers to inventory and analytics. If you're new to Shopify, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It might seem daunting at first, but it becomes intuitive as you spend more time with it. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the dashboard and locate the Products tab. You'll want to click on this to view all the products you've created. This section is crucial as it houses all the items you have available for sale. If your store is large and has plenty of products, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the item you're interested in. For today's example, we're going to choose a product called the Four Horsemen graphic shirt. After locating your product, click on it to open its individual product page. Here you can see product details, settings, and options that are specific to this item. Pay close attention to the top right corner of this page. You'll find a share button, which is crucial for our task today. By clicking on the share button, a new panel will open, giving you several sharing options. Now let's explore the options you have. The first and perhaps the most straightforward method is to simply copy link. This option allows you to copy the product's URL and paste it wherever you need. It's as easy as selecting the option and hitting copy. You can paste this link in an email, a text message, or even on another platform to share it with your audience. Additionally, Shopify offers the convenience of sharing directly to social media platforms such as Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and X. Each of these platforms serves different audiences, so choose the one that best matches your marketing strategy. Sharing on social media can significantly expand your product's reach, potentially leading to increased traffic to your store. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to select the copy link option. Once the link is copied, a good practice is to test it. Open a new window in your browser, paste the link, and hit enter to ensure it directs you to the correct product page. This step is important as you want to verify that the link works before sharing it widely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a Shopify product link. Don't forget to experiment with the various sharing options available to find what works best for you and your store's audience. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.